Lynn, welcome to carburetorsandmore.com. 832-221-4007. I haven't done nothing to your carburetor. Excuse me, but we're gonna try it. I did notice right off the bat that your choke set a little too shut, too tight, because it's real hot outside, and there's no way this thing should ever be closed like it is. It should automatically be open like that, but the choke's shutting it, so it's opening. So let's see what happens. Oh, we got Old Faithful here. Hold on a minute. Floaty doty. So, sounds like your pump's not working either. Let's see. Nope, pump's not working either. That's okay. That's part of the rebuild. Parts we change. They're always bad. On the paper, you said the right middle mixture screw has no effect, but the left one does. So let's find out. They both seem to work for me. Let's put it on the dyno and see what happens. Yeah, it's not tuned right. It's definitely got something going on. Definitely got something going on here. So, Lynn, thank you for sending your carburetor to us here at Carburetors and More. My phone number, for those that need to know, our phone number is 832-221-4007. Blow my shoulder out this time like I did last night. See the previous video.